In the sprawling cityscape of Mexico, we find Teresa Mendoza, an ordinary woman. Her life is about to dramatically transform, as she is set to become the Queen of the South. Remember, what you are about to witness is a work of fiction. Disclaimer: the following video is fictional, it doesn't mirror the cast of the forthcoming series. How often does one come out stronger from a life-altering ordeal? Can prison truly reform a person? Meet Teresa, a fiery soul, whose recklessness led her into the criminal world at a tender age. But her life took a sharp turn with a long, grueling stint in prison. Within those cold, unforgiving walls she faced harsh realities that tested her mettle. Yet she held her ground, learning, adapting, and growing into a seasoned strategist. The prison was her crucible, and Teresa was being reforged. Survival is an art, and Teresa was a master artist. She navigated the labyrinth of prison politics and danger with the grace of a seasoned diplomat. Alliances were forged, respect was earned, and Teresa carved out her place within those unforgiving walls. She became a scholar of the underworld, absorbing knowledge like a sponge while transforming her body into a fortress. Her dedication to learning and fitness was unwavering. Every day was a lesson, and Teresa was a diligent student. The world outside had changed, but so had Teresa. As the gates of the prison swung open, Teresa Mendoza, the Queen of the South, stepped out into the world once again. But this was not the same Teresa who had been swallowed by the system all those years ago. The fire of her youth had been tempered by the cold steel of prison life, and the impulsive young woman who had entered those walls was now a woman of wisdom and strategy. She had faced the trials of prison life, learned from them, and emerged stronger and smarter. Every challenge she encountered, every alliance she formed, every secret she kept, they all shaped her into the formidable strategist she had become. Her time behind bars had humbled her, but it had also hardened her. She was ready to face the world again, not as the reckless young woman she once was, but as a seasoned strategist. The Queen of the South had returned, not as the reckless young woman she once was, but as a seasoned strategist ready to reclaim her throne.